How to kiss a guy for the first time. Kissing a dude for the first time can be a tricky affair. Follow these 13 steps to make your first kiss romantic, mesmerizing, and memorable. What to expect from your first kiss. Kissing a guy for the first time can always prove to be a tricky affair. You will have a lot of questions going through your mind. What if I do it the wrong way? Will he like the kiss or not? Will he still like me if I make a mistake? Luckily, there are many things you can do to prepare yourself for a first kiss. A first kiss should happen naturally. Instead of panicking, just relax and do what feels right. Things will flow naturally, but only if you take it easy. Do not be in a rush to show your romantic side. Even though kissing a guy you have never been intimate with may seem complicated at first, as soon your lips meet his, everything will fall into place. Take advantage of the great joy that kissing brings. Note that romantic kissing is the beginning of an enjoyable, intimate life. So, be good at it and keep him glued. Here are some tips that you can use to ensure that your first kiss will remain memorable. 1. Make your lips soft and sensual when kissing for the first time. Before you take this big move, you have to do some prep work. This is not about learning expert kissing techniques but rather ensuring that your lips are kissable. Chapped lips are a turn-off and you need to know the right products to apply. It is all about looking enticing and sensual. Leaving your new guy smudged with lipstick marks after kissing is not romantic at all. It's all about preparation. Kissable lips are important in having a wonderful first kiss. Make use of lip balms and glosses not only on the day you are expecting the kiss but also as a daily routine. This will make your lips smooth, supple, and succulent. Avoid thick and sticky products. The last thing he probably wants is a mouthful of apple balm or orange gloss. If you didn't know, overly glossy lips make your mouth look abnormally big. This is a big no-no, especially if you are blessed with thick lips. Even if you have thin lips, you would still look so unnatural. It is understandable that you want to look like a diva, but a wrong shade of red lipstick can transform you into a clown. Here are 6 lipstick errors you must not commit as you head out to kiss your man for the first time. 6 lipstick errors to avoid for your first kiss. 1. Do not wear the wrong shade. 2. Never decorate your teeth with lipstick. 3. Do not make your lips too dark. 4. Shun the funky glitters. 6. Never apply lipstick outside the lip borders. 7. Do not use a dark lip liner with light lipstick. 2. Ensure privacy when kissing for the first time. Intimacy should be private. You should, therefore, look for a comfortable spot. Avoid restaurants, playgrounds, or any other crowded place. You may not have planned for it, but if you find yourself in a public place, look for a spot where no one can see you. Under no circumstance should your first kiss happen in front of friends or kids. Kissing in public is not only offensive but also uncomfortable. The onlookers might disrupt the breathtaking moment or even hurl some funny comments that would embarrass both of you. 3. Use a breath mint for your first time kiss. This is probably the most important step if you're kissing someone for the first time. Whether it is your first, second, or 30th time, you should always think about your breath. Make sure you have some breath mints at hand. Also, keep at bay any spicy flavors like ginger, garlic, or onions. Nothing will make you more confident than having fresh and sweet breath. It would be such an unpleasant experience if your boyfriend-to-be avoids you because of bad breath. If you plan to eat flavorful food before your first kiss, make sure that you buy some minty gums. Make sure to brush your teeth properly too. 4. It's better to sit down if you're kissing for the first time. The best position for a romantic kiss, especially if you have intentions of making out, is when you are seated in a relaxed position as opposed to standing. Standing can weaken your knees if the intimacy continues for long, or it may be awkward if you have a significant height difference. However, don't be discouraged to kiss while in a standing position if you find it more romantic. 5. Let your expressions do the talking. When you experience your first kiss with a guy, you don't have to talk. Start by getting closer to him. This will let him know that you are comfortable with him. It can also be a discreet way of arousing him. However, do not be quick but wait for things to happen naturally. It is of utmost importance that both of you have the same pace. It would be very awkward if you try to kiss him when he isn't interested. Focus on body language, it will show him your intentions. If you are a bold lady, you can ask him directly if he wants to kiss you, but this may fail or even cause embarrassment. As you speak to him, don't focus too much on his eyes. Concentrate more on the movements of his lips. A good way to create a hint is to take intentional glances towards his mouth and then look directly into his eyes. Once he has an idea of what you want, his body language and expressions will let you know if he wants to kiss you too. 6. Breathe on his neck before your first kiss. Before he makes the first move, breathe on his neck a little and pull away. This builds anticipation and can be a clear indication that you are able to control yourself around him. You may put your hands on his face as you breathe down his neck. Notice how his skin smells, but don't be too fast. 7. Let him take the lead when you kiss for the first time. Ladies first is a popular expression, but when it comes to intimacy, it is always a good idea to let the guy take the lead. Unless you like to dominate in everything, it is better to follow the guy's lead during your first kiss. If you feel a little dryness in your lips, lick them so that they become softer and delicate. Close your eyes, wait for him to touch your lips, and press your lips against his. You can then reciprocate by parting your lips to make them accessible. Be slow but steady, kissing slowly and softly is the right way to go. When he moves to kiss you, move in and respond slowly. Purse your lips gently as you massage his lips with yours. The lower lip is always the best to start with, and then you can continue to the upper one. After the gentle massage is over, you can shake things up a bit. Start kissing him in an aggressive manner. Squeeze his lips between yours, but be careful not to crush his mouth. Use reasonable pressure to express passion. You can also use the teeth, but don't bite too hard. Be as gentle as possible. You don't want to hurt your guy accidentally. Softly nibble his lips and push his lower and bottom lips between your teeth. Slowly run your teeth over his lips to bring a distinctive sensation. Keep it quite short. This icebreaker should not take too long. It is best to keep it short and simple unless the two of you are extremely aroused. If you think that you are infatuated, do not push it too far. Actually, the most romantic first kiss lasts for a few seconds with two mouths grazing softly on each other. After the sharing your first kiss with each other, look directly into his eyes and smile. Then a few more kisses may follow. What you must not do is force a particular style, because it might become a bad experience for your guy. It is advisable that you learn from him and teach him slowly to adjust to your unique kissing style. 8. Do more than just kissing. Kisses are meant to be enjoyed. Don't stop at just kissing. To leave your new man wanting more, you have to make extra romantic movements. Remember that sweet kisses and touches are precursors to wonderful intimacy. A little body contact feels good and intimate, and it will turn him on without sending a message that you are too easy. As you kiss and move closer to him, he will definitely do the same. Allow some body contact. Let your chests brush against each other every moment you move to kiss. He will forever remember this first experience. Use your hands to caress his back and chest. This will get you closer to him, and he will want to do the same for you. You need to enjoy the sensual touches while your bodies touch for the first time. However, if he goes beyond your expectations, you can clasp his arms and move them to other areas where you are more comfortable with his touches. A good guy will understand this, and he will know that you must approve his every move.